Hi, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how I make my daily booster juices. So I got everything behind me ready and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here I have everything's ready and I washed them all already, and I have like pineapple, carrots, ginger for the first batch. Okay, so there will be two sessions for the juices because I don't have juicer, so I'm using this blender. And yeah, for the first one it's gonna be for to help you like lowering your blood pressure. Yeah, so it's gonna be beetroot, pear, ginger, some carrots, and lemon. I have local lemon here. So yeah, let's get started. So actually I add some water to make the blender works. So I forgot to tell you on the first the previous video, but this is the juice that is ready to strain. So this is not the hardest, but it's like the very time consuming process of them all. Okay, so I got a couple of bottles, like a small bottle, the little bigger bottle. Maybe I'll got another bottle, but I try to find any bottle that I can. So this one, that one, maybe I'll get. And blend it together again, same process. Okay, so after the whole process, which is very time consuming and a little bit of boring, so I decided to make this video real quick. Yeah, so I got a couple of bottles here, which I decided to keep it on my fridge because it's just, you know, it's nice to have it every day, every morning, like as a morning shot. Yeah, and I think that's all for the video today. Yeah, because it's just about these juices actually. So we'll see you in another video if you like it. If you want to see another like workout video or yoga video or juices video, I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you guys again